This is the elevator at Dillard, Coconut Point in Estero, Florida. There's the elevator sign. Here's a store directory for the second floor and the first floor. And here we got the elevator. This is a ThyssenKrupp elevator. It's gonna come down. Here it is. Wow, the mirrors are very nice. And this is very tall. Go up to 2. Here's the indicator. Capacity 3,500 pounds. Can't help but notice the mirrors everywhere. Look up in the mirror. Hello. Wow. Go back down to 1. Goes out into the store. Let's get a cab view. This is a really nice elevator. Here we are on. There it goes, and that's it.